Okay, first, go to your Start and click on Setting. Then go to System, click About. Make sure that it's i3 and above and 11 Gen, and the RAM minimum must be 6 GB and above. For the Windows, must be Windows 7 and above. If you are not sure, you can screenshot this page and send to us. Then, go to the taskbar, right click and click Task Manager. Go to your Performance, and in the disk, make sure it is SSD, and also you will show it here, the type is SSD. Solid state disk. That's all for today. Thank you.
So, cari post system, cari Seng.
Find Guinness Post, find out.
Seng.
找post system, 找 Seng.